Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another backtesting session. Today we are doing week 4 of January 2024. Let's get straight into it. So, starting off, today, we're currently trading at all-time highs. I'll skip to the chart time. Trading New York AM session. Trading neck model. Just created all-time highs. I'll mark out my key levels. The all-time highs here. London highs got swept. London lows got swept as well. Got this 4-hour fair value gap. Fair value gap. Got this hourly fair value gap as well, just sitting right above it. It's very small. Got this hourly, got this 4-hour. Currently trading within a 1 hour, I'm pretty sure. Yep, within the 1 hour. Got this 15-minute down here. And we are bearish. So, 5-minute up here. If you get a continuation short after tapping into this 5-minute, I would probably take 1 to 2s here, be at this internal low, but just see for now how price decides to pay out. Okay, we're trading up to this 5-minute, we've tapped into that. If you respect this range, this is, I think, like 80% of the range. Yeah, so we're in a pretty decent spot. This manipulation leg downwards after creating all-time highs. We traded back into a 5-minute, which is at about 70%, but we respected that key level. Same with on ES, we respected that key level. If we can get a rejection off this, so inverting this 1 minute, I would take shorts, but price is not deciding to do that, so I'm not going to take any shorts here. This 5-minute got completely inverted. Same with this one. So it's a very bullish signal. Obviously, I can't trade or like to all-time highs because there's no targets up there. We tapped into all-time highs. We just did. No SMT. ES is looking pretty clean as well. 930 opens down here, but this is the other draw we have. London lows and then 930 open. Okay. This is a really strong reaction. There's a 4-minute fair value gap which opened up. If you can see this get inverted, we could probably take a 1-to-1. Or I wouldn't actually be a 1-to-1. The amount of points to the stop is just not good at all. Yeah, this isn't a 2-minute fair value gap pair. Unless I take this 1 minute. But I'm looking for the highest time frame inversion. The only issue is if I take the highest time frame, the fill would just be too bad. So I think what I'll do. Let's have a look at ES positioning. Inverted this 1 minute. Still trading within the 2 minute. So my concern is we've traded into this 4 minute and we just get a rejection off of this. So I'm gonna put a limit buy around here. I'll see what price decides to do. I'll play it out in the 30-second time frame. Gonna refresh real quick. Little banana break. Okay. See, we are rejecting this 4 minute. Trade back into this 30 second. I'll trade it back into this 1 minute. Seems to be respecting it. Same minute. Full gap here. There's a slight gap. I'm wait for this to get refilled. But yeah, couldn't really take an entry there, which I was confident in. There's this 4 minute inversion. Probably be like there. Just sitting above this 4 minute fair value gap. Really rejecting off all-time highs. Respecting this bearish fair value gap. I think there's this 15 minute here, and this was just 1 hour. Just pretty strong draw. But 4 minute. I think this is probably the best trade. Break even at these lows. We just traded to New York Open. Let's see if ES is headed. Yeah, ES is far away. So we're getting S&T for bullish price action. This is 5 minute candle here. 5 minute fair value gap and then Q. Be completely invalidating this, so I think price will generally tend downwards. Fill in this internal low and then I can break even there. So this is my one trade of the day. Yeah, sweep of all-time highs, 5 minute inversion, break even at this 1 hour internal low, and then TP at 15 minute fair value gap. ES positioning wise, it's created an SMT at the highs because this 5 minute has been inverted on NQ. So we want to see ES catch up and do that. Yeah, alright, see how this goes. Four 9, 575, risk 250. Okay, I'm break even here. Risk free now. And TP is hit. Alright, so one trade of the day. On Monday, pretty clean price action. Just a 1 to 1.15 RR trade for high risk to reward, lower risk to reward, and higher win rate. Just what I'm going for. Let's see what price actually does decide to do. Okay, so we reject strong enough this 15 minute. I'm expecting price would probably just trade to all-time highs now. Okay, never mind. But yeah, we caught a piece of the pie right here. Not too disappointed. The rest of the chat times don't really matter to me now. Yeah, so we go to the next day. 4 hours. This is being respected. We reset the internal low as well, so I'm thinking our bias is bullish, sorry. Disrespecting hourly bullish fair value gaps. Disrespecting bearish here. Yeah, I'm just gonna mark out my key levels first for this day. We have all-time highs here. It's a really strong draw on liquidity. We have London session already been swept. Asia at 8 p.m. Then 9:30 is New York, which is up here. Okay, 1 hour, no 1 hour gaps. 30 minute internal high all the way up here, and in 15 minutes we like some liquidity. 15 minute, okay, nothing. So this is pretty high resistance. I'm expecting price to trade a little bit lower, possibly create some liquidity in the form of 5 minute, 15 minute, sweep into lower time frame, 5 minute or 15 minute internal high here, sweep some sort of liquidity, and then it will give price some momentum to push higher. So what is this that I have marked out? I have no clue. This is a 5 minute, okay. 5 minute fair value gap. I've just traded into and respected. We also have this 5 minute internal low here. On the hourly, we have a 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, this is my draw right here. Oh, this is the 1 hour fair value gap I knocked out. So we also have this hourly down here. So since market is opening, price is really volatile. I'm not going to take any trades off it. Yesterday, my funded account, I did do that. I was pretty stupid. Oh yeah, honestly, my psych is kind of poor still, so I'm just trying to grow disciplined. Yeah, I'll probably journal that, post it sometime soon. So keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming soon. Alright, let's look at ES's positioning. It also has an hourly gap just traded into already, and London lows here. Price is moving a lot more sideways on ES than it is on NQ, so I do want to sweep this, see this 1 hour get swept. As in London lows get swept on ES. So this is London lows here. I don't think NQ will see London lows get swept again. Just because we're rejecting so strongly off this 4 hour. Okay, yeah, we swept into this 1 hour. See if ES is taking out London lows. No, ES is a bit far away. But we have traded into this 5 minute. Nothing, equal lows here, 15-minute equal lows. We need 2 minutes. Okay, the highest time frame is just 2 minutes, so yeah, that gets respected. Pretty sure what price is waiting for is ES to take out these lows before we move higher, but we do have a bullish SMT. I really just want to see a stronger inversion. Maybe, I'm guessing, we trade higher, but lower, and then higher. Okay, we actually have a 2 minute. No, not yet. This is a 2 minute inversion now, but since we're rejecting off this other 2 minute, not too sure what's gonna happen. We are creating this 5 minute, which I think we'll definitely get traded into. Okay, we got 2 minute inversion. see what our history will look like. Set one below, so we have an SMT. What will our targets be as well? 930 open is just the top of this candle. That gives us a negative risk to reward as well. Not something I'm too keen on. This just probably isn't that likely either. So there's this 15-minute here. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute down here. See if it gets respected. And then that'll just give me a better risk to reward on the trade. Okay, or I just don't get filled at all. But that's honestly better than just taking that negative IR trade. I think it was like 0.8 or something. I just wouldn't want to do that, and also, yeah, it was here. Guess like what is this? Yeah, I think these are data highs. That probably would have been fine, but I want to go for a lower risk to reward to like a more confident draw. Like I really like this 930. This high isn't like really a key draw. Not that I know of anyways. So yeah, this price payouts. 9 a.m. No, 10 a.m. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, so it's just a really choppy day. Yeah, invalidated, inverted. I mean, sorry, this 5 minute. But price really isn't pushing up any more than that. 930 still unfilled. Yeah, this is 3 minute. Which got traded back into. Okay. The 4 minute has formed here, and we have a 3 minute inversion right here. Okay, and we got, this is a bullish SMT. Yeah, we have a bullish SMT here. Resweep of that low on ES. I'm thinking NQ has a move after this, and this is pretty good setup. All of these 5 minutes just providing some liquidity for me. We got a 4 minute fair value gap, and we got a 3 minute inversion here. So if we take this from the bottom of the SMT form to our take profit, that gives us a 1 to 1.16. Pretty ideal. I want to see this 4 minute get inverted. Though I think if I break even here, it'll be pretty likely I BE. Other option is I break even at the top of this little liquidity cluster, but then that kind of just risks price rebounding off this 4 minute. I'm pretty confident in longs because of that SMT that resweep of the lows on ES. So I will just go in a bit lighter on this. 7.45. Yeah, alright. And if you guys are wondering why I'm using such small risk percentages, that's because I'm practicing like for backtest. I'm backtesting for how I would probably trade on my funded account. So yeah, I'm just gonna break even here. Lose nothing. Risk free now. This decides to hit when it hits, but nope. It's alright. Rejection of that 4 minute. Kind of in a strange spot now. Because, okay. There's a 3 minute formed here. I do still really like my draw on liquidity. So I'm gonna look for another entry. This is the news. Oh, although ES seems pretty bearish now. I don't know what entry we want to do. Let's just have a look. Yeah, ES is just majorly selling off. Since I'm not too confident in this, I'll probably just not trade. Let's see. Tap into the server. Got an inversion of this 1 minute. Reacting pretty strongly off that. What's it called? That 4 minute down here. I only got a 4 minute inversion. Okay, I said I wasn't too confident, but this is a really pretty strong reaction, which I quite like. Just off this 3 minute for value gap and an inversion of this 4. My risk to reward is decent. Yeah, still 1-1, so it's not too bad. Let's just have a look at what AQ from the ES is doing. Okay, we resweep the lows again. Realistically, the only target is up here. And we inverted a 3 minute. Oh, it's not even a fair value gap actually. Interesting. I feel like the 3 minute is not that protected. It's my only concern. Take a tie break even right here. I really like the positioning of the ES. Alright. Just see if this works or not. I will go and actually lighter this time. 2-6. Oh shit, what the hell? This is my take profit. 17487. I'm not going 0.4. Here we go. Yeah, consider that break even. Let's see if price will push through this. Nope. Okay. Okay, this is just a choppy range now. Probably should have popped off this day a little while ago because I'm not getting any good setups, but what does it want to do? Yeah, this is just chop. Never mind that. It's alright. It's now Wednesday. Probably spent too long on that day trying to make something work when obviously it's just not a good price action day. Okay. We are at, let me clear the graph up real quick. All-time highs again. Cool. Alright. Of this 4-hour here. It's trending bullish. Okay, let's look at where ES is at. This 4-hour here as well. Still bullish. Currently have an SMT of the highs. Displacing straight down. What are your targets? Yes. Their targets are this 5-minute, 15-minute internal low, and I'm guessing London lows here somewhere. It's 1-minute time frame. London. Oh, okay. Then this 1 hour for value gap. It's that same on NQ. Got 1 hour internal low and no fair value gap. Internal low. Okay. 1 hour internal low, 15-minute internal low. Okay. Just traded into a 5-minute. Oh, okay. Haven't inverted the 5-minute yet, but we have inverted this 3-minute here. Also the 4-minute. We take shorts here. Break even here. Take profits here. Pretty decent 1-to-1. No, 1-to-4. MES. It is quite early to be quite early in the session to be trading, to be honest. Got an SMT. Really strong reaction. Okay, got an SMT here. We got a 4-minute inversion. Fair value gap. Got pretty strong draws, 15-minute internal over at all-time highs. Let's see. Charts has just been ripping straight up. This is a like 500 point move, so I mean it consolidated a little bit here around this range, but still 175 points. I would want to see a little retrace. So yes, 1 to 1.4. Should I have my stop loss all the way at the top? That is the question. I think if I'm going to be bearish, I want to see this SMT level get respected. So just at the top of this second bearish 1-minute candle, take that. Take profit 17641. I'll stop loss. There we go. 1687.75. Okay, I messed something up. Boom. 50%. Oh no. 0.5%. Okay, break even here. Well, I'm getting kind of greedy. I want to TP at this 4-hour, but yeah, I know that that's just a lot lower risk to reward. How many contracts am I in? This would be pretty goated. I'm gonna do this. I'll take partials if I have this CP, and then I'll take out 75%, and then leave the stop loss probably just at the top of the candle where it starts going down. Oh, it's pressing down. Holy moly. It's raining, bruh. It's raining hard. Turn the lights on real quick. Alright, I'm in a 30-second time frame. I'll take partials here. 75% save. Move my break even. Should I move that? Give me a second. Yeah, I'll just keep my break even here. Holy moly. Oh, the clothes. Oh no, the laundry. Oh shit. Wait. Ma!
有冇衫啊？有啲 laundry。媽，有冇衫喺出邊啊？我哋攞入嚟。哇哇哇哇哇！好嘅，喺邊度嘅車？啊 ！No! What the hell? Holy moly! 關晒啦 ！Freaking pissing down, mate! Freaking pissing down! Where there's ocean.
Shit right now. That's alright. Whatever. Let me catch this 50-point move, please. Thank you. What am I gonna do? Put my stop loss here to 5 minutes. Oh, damn. Alright. How much did I make on that? 75. Around 200. Okay. These, like, trades where I just move my TP, like, and partial, where the win rate's just a lot less. I think I'm just not gonna do that, because that really misses my psych. I'll just take full TP, at my designated TP spot, and just not mess around with that. But anyways, that is alright. Let's see if we get a resweep of the lows. And then we can take another long. Okay. This is being a bit cheeky. What's Anchor doing? Well, from the 4 hour. The 4 hour right here. Might be a goated long setup if aces are tapped into it. Hey, yes it has indeed. Okay. We'll wait for NQ to fill this. Cause I don't know what ES is doing. Okay. No fill, we're just going. And okay, cool. Very nice. That's Wednesday. 1 win. See ya. Get all this shit out the way. What does Thursday have in store for us? Tap into this 4 hour. I think we're bullish here. There's this 1 hour trading inside currently. London lows are down here. If we're bullish, we probably won't trade back to these levels because we tapped into this 1 hour. Maybe a continuation long. This is 15-minute up here. There's also this 1 hour right here. Both great draws. 1 hour. Okay. Oh wait, I kind of need that. Get back there. Okay, let's see. 5 minute. We have these equal lows here. And 5 minute round. Okay, let's see. Will we trade back down into this 5 minute? Oh, it's not even freaking market open yet. Let's skip to that. Alright. We have traded into the 1 hour and into the 5 minute. Perfect, okay. And we've also, this is a 15 minute now, I didn't realize that. Has ES done the same? That's a great question. ES has done the same. Also in internal highs. And it's 15 minute above here. So I'm looking for longs. Quite like longs. This 5 minute got tapped into in Q, but it's still here on ES. So yeah, 5 minute, yeah, okay. Creating a lot of low resistance, and we're heading towards this 5 minute on ES. I want to see that get filled. Maybe a resweep of this low even as well. Yep, perfect. No conditions. Okay, it's 5 minutes still unfilled. If we get a really strong reaction, like an inversion, then I'll take it. But this is not too ideal, just love chop. Yeah, no IFVGs valid there for me to take. 係啊，喺邊度啊？而家5分鐘先。Bro, equal lows. Since when do we do that? I'm not going to trade against this. Oh, yes, you naughty boy. How's ES being so naughty right now? NQ's not giving me an entry either. Okay. Entry. Oh, yes, invert that. Nope. Cool. Alright. Never mind that then. Let's go pranked. I just got pranked. Okay. We formed this hourly now, so if we can tap back into this, I really like longs. So maybe I just don't get an entry. Oh. We did get a resweep of this low, which I missed on NQ. Did not keep a really good eye out for that. Yeah. Okay, I did fumble a trade there because I also focused on ES, but we reswept the 15 minute low. Got a 4 minute inversion right here, and pretty good targets. Just overall bullish bias on the day. Probably take a 1-2-2, or even a 1-1 to this 1 hour. That pair would have been pretty good. Pretty strong confirmation. But yeah, no trades today. go to Friday, last day of the week. Then I'm gonna head out. Alright, 4 hour internal low. Oh shoot, I went too far. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. Okay, yeah, no, that's fine. 4 hour internal low here. Also 4 hour internal low here. London lows. So this is my draw. Draw and liquidity. London lows. Huh? Stop funding? No. Alright. Game on, baby. Game on. Hourly internal low. Internal high. Got an SMT. See. How does price want to react? Slowly, apparently. I'm gonna knock out ES key levels. Stay quickly, 1 hour. Internal low. Internal high, we got set. 15 minute? No, yeah, I'll trade into a 15 minute. It's 15 minutes completely unfilled. On NQ. There's 15 minute up here as well. Okay. When did we form a 15 minute fair value gap? Genuinely did not see that. Might be a bot. Didn't get any entries anyway. Oh, did we? Oh, we did. Oh, that's embarrassing. No, this would have been a break even. Anyways, would have breaking even here. See, will we get a reversal? Seems so. Okay. Bam. Bam. And 5 minutes. 15. Take my first TP here. So there's a 5 minute up here. But I'm just taking the first TP to this 15 minute. 15 minute internal high. To be honest, I'm like pretty confident that the draw is just, oh, what just happened? That the draw is just this internal high, and then we do want to rebalance the differences like on the ES and NQ. So I'm thinking Oh, we didn't sweep anything on ES, did we not? Okay, that concerns me slightly. The ES is MQ is positioned really well. I'm just gonna have a small take profit in, because yeah, I'm not sure I just hit TP. Tap into 1 hour, 4 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute immersion? Yeah, 3 minute immersion. Pretty good low resistance liquidity generated along here. Probably break even here. Yeah, alright. SMT at the lows as well with ES. Yeah, do want to see this play out. And 5.25. My one and only trade of the day right here. Okay, got stopped. Took one loss. Seems like ES wants to fill this one out before doing anything else, to be honest. Yeah, okay. That's fine. I think I could have been more patient there. I thought I was pretty confident in that, but sometimes setups do fail. Part of the model, so it's okay. We have a 1 minute immersion here now, but oh yeah, we just took out New York Open, so ES has some liquidity, which is reacting off of, and NQ is resweeping as low as well, so I'm confident in retaking this again. If I take 2 losses on a day, then yeah, I'll just hop off. That's unfortunate, but seems pretty like a pretty decent setup. Probably break even a bit lower here. Yeah, so 1 to 1.7. Yeah, 1 to 1.7. Pretty strong inversion on ES. Let's see. 504. Okay. Okay, break even here. Do you want to see price just flush through this low resistance? There we go. Take profit hit. Went for a lower IRR instead of this just because I wanted to secure profits. But yeah, that is all for week 3 of, what was that, week 4? I think that's week 4 of 2024. This is what my stats are currently looking like. Week 4 is green. Took 1 loss, 1 win on Friday, 1 win on Monday, 2 break evens on Tuesday, and 1 win on Wednesday. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, peace out.